As we take a live look over downtown, you see those clouds. Give you some idea of how powerful and how big this hurricane is. These clouds are some of the first associated with that storm that is going to hit Florida tonight, but then have a big impact on our weather tomorrow, Chris.
Yeah, this storm is really going to affect weather over most of the eastern half of the country over the next 7 days. Keep in mind the eye of the storm is about 850 miles away from us right now. We're already getting clouds here in central Indiana. They're already getting rainfall down across Florida. We've had a couple of tornado warnings in effect, one across Florida, a couple across South Carolina and North Carolina as well. So this storm is already having very wide-reaching effects. The winds are down just a little bit, now down to 125 miles per hour, gusting up around 155 miles per hour. The storm is 115 miles west of Tampa right now, moving northeast at 23. So it's going to miss Tampa, but it is going to affect the west coast of Florida as a Category 3 hurricane over the next several hours, and then spread all that moisture throughout the southeast. A lot of states over the southeast are going to see flooding due to the aftermath of the storm. Down in Florida, they'll see 120-mile-an-hour winds, a 10 to 20-foot storm surge, and up to 12 inches of rain, with a couple of spots getting as much as 18 inches of rain. Can you imagine that? In a day, getting 18 inches of rain? That is what they're going to be dealing with down over the southeast. Well, today here at home, we saw a few clouds around after some morning sunshine. The high did warm to 81 before the clouds rolled in. Right now, we're cloudy and 78 degrees with an east-northeast wind at 16 miles per hour, and the humidity is at 56%. We're going to see a daily chance of rain from the remnants of Helene here in central Indiana. Scattered showers develop for us for tonight, then an 80% chance of rain tomorrow. We'll keep a strong chance of rain in the forecast on through the weekend. Right on through Monday of next week, we'll have that daily chance of rain. The first wave moves in overnight, so some heavy rainfall is going to be likely out there just in time for the morning rush hour. The winds are going to pick up tomorrow as those remnants are closer to us, so we'll see the winds gusting up around 55 miles per hour tomorrow. We'll have strong winds throughout the day across the area. Heavy rainfall is going to be likely off and on throughout the day on Friday. The heaviest rainfall is going to stay south of Interstate 70, but it's a good thing for us because we're still in moderate drought across the state. The rain is going to keep our temperatures cooler tomorrow. We'll find the high near 70, and heavy rainfall is going to be likely for us tomorrow night. We'll continue right on through the day on Saturday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely along with some gusty winds, and we'll keep that rainfall going on through Sunday morning as well. And we're talking a 1 to 3 inch rainfall accumulation south of I-70, a little bit less in the way of rainfall farther to our north. In our 7-day forecast, we'll find our temperature staying cool tomorrow, the high at 72. We'll stay with a daily chance of rain and scattered showers around for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. High temperatures are going to stay in the 70s, back to sunshine on Tuesday with a high at 80.